Hello. So, Time Trial Tuesday again. This week, I'm not going to use a free car and I'm not going to use a free track, but hopefully, most people will have both of these. It's a combination I couldn't resist. So, we're going to go into a GT3 round Spa. It's a very popular race. 300 people have signed up for it. So, we're going to click on this, but we're not going to race. We're going to do more ways to race and we're going to do the time trial. So, we click on that, click on the Ferrari, and off we go. I'll see you at the track.
For this time trial, you must complete 4 clean laps to set an official time.
Okay, 4 clean laps. Let's just set my seating position. Just come up a little bit. That should be right. There we go. Okay. Let's see if we can do 3 clean laps. That'll be good, won't it? So the key thing here will be not having off tracks. It's a long track, isn't it? I don't want to have to do. I don't really want to have to do more than 3 laps. So I can usually get under 2 minutes 20. That's what I'll be aiming for. Oh, blimey. Tyres are a bit cold. You can see, look. So it's going to take at least 1 lap to get up to speed, I think. You can see, getting a bit sideways. The other thing is, can we get up Eau Rouge flat out? Not this lap, I don't think. We're taking a big old lift. There we go. I'm hoping next lap, that'll be when we really start. So this is going to be a 2:22 or 2:23, I should think, this lap. But we'll see. Been around Spa a fair bit recently, but not in the GT3. Just keep it tidy. Hopefully tyres are getting a bit warmer. Still not up to pressure. They're still in the blue rather than the black, which is when you know they've got to where they need to be. Pretty fourth around there, isn't it? Just need to recalibrate after having been around in lots of different cars. Put the fan on as well, I think. Quite hot in the UK today. I think I've recovered after my 4 a.m. bedtime the other night watching England play. Another late night Saturday, I guess. Let's not have an off track anyway. Tyres still aren't up to pressure. They're getting better. 21.5, so that's a bit better than I was expecting. And a bit quicker. We need to be in the 19s really, if we can. That'd be nice. Bit less of a lift that time. Oh, that wasn't a lot quicker, was it? We can't afford off tracks, that's the key. We're going quicker, just a bit. Tyres still aren't there. We think fourth, don't we, for this one? Came down to third last time, so that was a lot slower. Slow through that. Maybe I should have come down to second. That's a bit better. Maybe get into the 19s then, that would be nice. We are flat out through there now. That's a bit better. 19 flat, so 18s next time around then.
Lap of the session.
That's the plan. If we can. Let's see if we can get up here flat out. Yeah, it's got plenty of turn in actually. I didn't look at the setup, to be honest. I don't know if it's an open setup or not. I should have looked. Too late now. Okay. We're going a bit better. About the same through there, more or less. We'll try second through here, whether that's better. Yeah, it is. So we'll be in the 18s anyway. Not quite the 17s, which would have been nice. Probably could have braked a bit deeper there. Lost a bit of time there.
18.553. New fast lap for you.
Well, I have to do 5 laps because it's not told me I've set a time. Maybe I need to do 5 laps then. Can't see it written anywhere. Well, let's just keep going. More confident through there now. No off tracks yet. Slow through that. Well, we did it on the way in, can get on the power. Well, if it's 5 laps, then this is quite a tough challenge, isn't it? Just doing 5 laps around Spa without an off-track is a challenge. I often go through whole races and see people never set an official time. It's always going off-track. Almost go through there flat out now. Brake a bit later, I think, this time. Yeah, I better exit that time.
You set an official time.
Okay, it's 4 laps then.
And attempt to improve on the time if you like. 18.708.
Let's see if we can do any better then. Nice to get into a 17, wouldn't it? Yeah, that's easy flat now. Yeah, we'll go for it this lap. That's a bit better. Slower in, faster out. It's quicker leaving it in 4th. That. Yeah, it's better. Flat out now through there. Well, I can see a tiny little lift, but I didn't mean to lift. Gives us time all the way along this straight. Well, that's better.
17.932.
17s, that's pretty good. I go even faster. Let's see. Try a Banzai lap, shall we? Guess as the fuel comes off, we should go a bit quicker. I'm going to leave it in 2nd and see if that's better. No. Okay. No. That'll do. Let's just check the setup because I'm not sure if it was fixed. Yeah, it's fixed. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Right. Let's see how we did, shall we? Okay, then. So we're on our results page. Here's the time trial we've just done. Let's have a look at the results. So our best lap time was 17.9. Our average is a 19.1. Our best 4 lap average is an 18.5. So that's the number I guess we need to think about. 18.5. So let's go and have a look on the standings. Click on that one. And then we'll look for the time trial results. So here we go then. Took a while to come up. It's taken about 15 minutes for this to suddenly appear. But here I am, 9th, in 18.558. So just behind James, just ahead of Noah. And oh gosh, that's quick, isn't it? So that's a 4-lap average. 16.7, can't even get down to that. I mean, our best was a 17. So if we'd done our best lap over and over, we'd still only be 5th. So yeah, some really quick times there. But yeah, give it a go. Let's see how you get on. And let's have a look at just last week before we go, just to see how that went. So here we are. This was what we did last week. If you remember, we did the Legends around Donington Park. So 4th, that's not too bad. I mean, a good 2 seconds off the best average, but I think we could have gone a bit quicker. And so, yeah, and there's only 12 people did it. So I guess, yeah, if your name's up there, then well done. If not, then please have a go at this week's. See how you do. Spa's a lovely track and the GT3 is nice around there. So, yeah, give it a go and pop your times in the comments. Anyway, thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that. If you did, then please do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe see you next time at the track.